You know when you have that song stuck in your head? I'm back in the saddle again. Yeah, I shaved my beard. I know, some of you guys are mad. My wife was not happy, but she also wasn't going through what I was going through. I was sick, not feeling good. I was sweating like you wouldn't believe. Every hair in my head had to come off. And I was ready to bick the top even. So it's gone. I can always grow it back. But summer's right around the corner, so I might wait until next winter. So I am not 100% whatsoever yet, but I'm a lot better than what I was a little while ago, or a couple days ago. I am going to do ketchup. Why not mustard? Anyways, I gotta play catch up to get back on top of things here. So what I'm going to do is get working here, and then I'm gonna show you guys what had came, and it's been sitting around for a week. Oh, over a week now. Over a week, because this is, I think, Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. Wednesday before this comes out. That's how behind I am. That, we got our butt kicked. This month stunk. Not like literally, like my septic is fine and everything, but it was bad. It was rough. It was a rough month. Just busy with a lot of things. So, anyways, I am rambling. I'm going to get working here, and then what I'm going to do is come back. I'll show you what I'm doing first for a while. I'll probably drag this on for a little bit before I even show you what I did. Sounds like fun. And a little teasing. Something I don't ever do. Prayers go out for her. She is still a mess. It's like normal, honestly. Your hair looks nice. So I sat here teasing you this whole time because there's a laser right here, and I haven't shown what it is. And I'm painting this block. You can see I got the block 3/4 painted. I'm teasing you the whole time. Really, when I'm the bonehead that didn't hit record. Oh, I am not 100% yet. This stinks. This has been 8 days. What in the world is going on? I guess it's what we get for all taking a year off or two. Pro tip, if you need anything to dry fast, I always put it in the laser with the exhaust going, pulling air through there, and it dries pretty quick. The other thing is I just got a bunch of plywood done. We gotta go get more plywood, but I got it all taped up. This roll's almost gone. I have to order a new one. So a while back, I had put this in my link in the description, and that vendor has changed their stuff, and they used they have a big thing on there, not for lasers, because they switched the brand they use. So I found a new company, and it was actually a couple dollars cheaper, so I'm going through them. I know some of you guys are like, go through this company, and I appreciate it. You put it in the comments, I'll pin it or whatever for other people. I don't order a ton of it, so when I do order, because I'm limited on space, Amazon's just my thing. So that's why I put the links in there. Some of them are affiliate, some are not, but I don't care if they are or not, because this is what I use. So just to let you guys know, excuse me, I'm not ordering in bulk, so I don't go through the other company for that place for the shipping to pay off and everything. It's, for me, it wasn't worth it. So, but some of you guys, it might be. This is done. I'm gonna put it back in the laser, and it's like seriously 5 minutes, you guys, and it's dry. So it dries really quick with the wind just whipping through there. So you ready to talk about what this is? In a minute. I gotta clean a brush. Anybody else have box elders in their house? I dislike them. So now we had, I don't know, a good handful of people or so reach out to us about a logo, and I'm sorry, John, I haven't got back to you. We've been looking through the email a couple of times. We like the logo. But probably want to change some things. But I'll email you on that. As far as the other people, that there was like a handful of them that wanted to send a logo, go ahead. Our email is in the About page on the YouTube channel. You guys are more than welcome to send us something if you think you can nail it. And then I was thinking maybe we should have like a competition out of this. If someone grabs one that we really like, which John's got so far, maybe we give a prize out or something. I don't know. Shoot me an email. Alright, finally. What did I get? Well, this is it. The unboxing. Now, not to remind you, I was super sick. Just to get this in the house was a chore. And it's not even that heavy. But at that time in my life, it was heavy. We ended up going with Mactron because we've had multiple people email us that they've had that laser, the fiber, and they are having great luck with it, and it has been a great machine. So we chose them for the fiber laser, and we, especially because we have one job that we have coming up. Well, when we ordered this, we had one. Now we have two jobs that are coming up, and will pay for this laser, just the one job alone. So it is a good buy for us and a good move to get us into the Galvo section. Now, with that being said, I have not run this laser yet, and this is new to me. So I have to sit down and go through some more paperwork yet, figure out, make sure I'm doing things right, download the system, everything I need on my computer, go through it and get going on it, because I have another batch of some stainless coming in that I'm gonna run through this, and I'm gonna put it up for the challenge and see exactly what we can all do. I'm very pumped for it. It can do way more than my Uplog can, and that's a 50 watt and this is only a 30 watt. So I'm very excited to see what I can all do with it. Talking to the company, they assured me that I have no issue for what I wanted to do with it. So they sized me up for this size, and I'm happy with it. Plus, I've got Kyle from Laser Engraving Everything had reached out, and I'm guessing if I have any kind of issues, I can email him back. He's the one who gave me in-depth, a lot of detail on a lot of lasers. So I trust his inside with it, that they've dealt with a lot of these lasers on their videos. So go and check them out if you guys have any questions. I am going to tackle this, and I'll record it, and we'll see what we can all do with it and get it set up for that other laser. And you're probably wondering, Matt, where are you going to put that in your room? Well, I think I'm going to put it right next to the 3D printer, because I have something else coming too. And this other thing I have coming, we actually need it pretty bad also because of the job we got. So that's another story for another time. Hopefully next time you guys see me, my voice will be back to normal. Fun times. Glad you guys see me again. Bye. What are you looking at?
You look like Willy Wonka.